Documentary Event Pack. Top 5 Hidden Gems in Porto, Portugal. You need to visit in 2025. Gem 1. Jardim Municipal do Horto das Virtudes. First, visit Jardim Municipal do Horto das Virtudes. This historic park has many levels connected by steps. It features views across the Douro River and unique trees like an old ginkgo. Gem 2. Capela do Senhor da Pedra. Next, head to Capela do Senhor da Pedra. This small chapel sits near the Atlantic Ocean on a wide beach. Go in the evening for sunsets. Gem 3. Rota do Chá. Narração. Então, relaxe na Rota do Chá. This green garden serves breakfast, teas, cakes and smoothies in a calm setting. Key fact, offers many tea varieties and brunch dishes. Gem 4. Cultura dos Sabores. Narration. Fourth, try Cultura dos Sabores. This vegan buffet has fresh food, including a vegan francesinha. Eat on a swing for fun. Gem 5. Arrábida Bridge Climb. Finally, climb Arrábida Bridge. This 30-minute guided tour gives views of Porto and the ocean. Do it before sunset. These 5 gems show Porto's secret side. Visit in 2025 for memories that last. Thanks for watching. Explore more